This isn't just a truck launch. This is pure mechanical aggression unleashed. The 2027 Toyota Tacoma doesn't roll in quietly. It attacks the road with explosive torque, razor-sharp presence, and a stance that dominates everything ahead. This is where power meets attitude. Every angle tells a story. Every reflection reveals precision. The Tacoma isn't designed. It's engineered to be experienced. Confidence isn't claimed, it's proven. And on every mile of open road, the Tacoma proves exactly why it stands above the rest. Under perfect light, perfection reveals itself. Every line, every edge, crafted to command attention without saying a word. One look, and you understand. This isn't design, it's dominance. Built to intimidate, engineered to perform. As the day fades, the Tacoma still stands strong. Because real strength doesn't disappear, it leaves a mark. From every angle, it holds its ground. Wide, aggressive, unmistakably Tacoma. Precision lighting meets futuristic design. Even in the dark, the Tacoma refuses to go unnoticed. This isn't just space, it's capability. Built to carry more, handle more, and do more. Work hard, play harder. Whether it's the job site or the wild, Tacoma is always ready. While others try to keep up, Tacoma moves ahead. Bigger, stronger, smarter. Control isn't given, it's felt. Every stitch, every button, designed to put power in your hands. This is where intelligence meets design. A cockpit built not just to inform, but to inspire. Comfort meets control. Designed to hold you in place, no matter where the road takes you. Because power isn't just for the driver. Every passenger rides in premium confidence. Even in the pouring rain, the 2027 Tacoma owns the city streets. Water flies off its bronze wheels as the glossy black paint reflects every neon glow. Built for any weather, unstoppable power meets pure style. This is the truck that never backs down. From the sky, the 2027 Tacoma commands the open road. Bronze wheels spinning, glossy black body gleaming under golden light. Pure dominance from every angle. This is more than a truck. This is freedom above everything else. Twisting through canyons like it was born for them. Red calipers biting hard, glossy black paint catching the sunset. The 2027 Tacoma turns every corner into a statement. Precision, power, and pure confidence. Rocky trails, deep ruts, no problem. The 2027 Tacoma climbs where others quit. Suspension working hard, glossy black paint still shining through the dust. Built tough, ready for anything nature throws its way. Neon nights belong to the 2027 Tacoma. Every reflection, every glow, every mile, it owns the city after dark. Glossy black shine, red LEDs cutting through the rain. This is the truck that turns heads at midnight.